Hello, we are here with a short overview of the services we are providing on Fiverr. The category is accounting finance, and the tool we used is Microsoft Excel. In majority of time, we have used the QuickBook and the QuickBook Zero software as well. But depending upon the client requirement, we are mostly doing in an Excel. Let me show you the orders completed on Fiverr. Recently we completed the 200 orders, which is a source of achievement it is, and the gig which is successful compared to the other gig as the one in which we are offering the preparation of profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow statements. In majority of cases it's the profit and loss balance sheet. Cash flow very rare are the client requirements, but if it is a requirement we aid it in the cash flow statement. Majority of time we receive the bank statement from the clients, convert it to Excel and then do the categorization and the report preparation. So if you have our accounting and finance students and you are having good skills in Excel, you should provide services on Fiverr, Upwork or any other platform, freelancing platform that you want to try. But I am providing on Fiverr. You can do it on Fiverr as well, on the Upwork, depending upon your choice. So I just wanted to share that short story with you, and in my YouTube channel I'm sharing those skills, those techniques with you, and you should give it a try, learn it, be skillful at it, and then you can start offering your services to the buyers on Fiverr and any other platform that you want to try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button for more such videos, and I will be keep sharing my success story with you. Thank you.